Welcome, in front of me is a REALME P3 and today I will show you how we can boot this device into recovery mode. So, to get started, we're gonna hold power button and volume up at the same time and then swipe down to turn off your device. Now when the phone turns off, hold power button and volume down at the same time and let go of the power button when you have the REALME logo show up on the screen. As you can see, now we have our language selection page, so it's barely visible, but right here at the very bottom we have English, so that's what I will select. And now we have three options in the recovery mode. This is the recovery mode. So in here we have format data, reboot and power off. Under format data we only have the basically full factory reset of the device and nothing else, like for instance cache wipe or things like that you'd expect in here. So just a full factory reset and that's it. And reboot device and power off are just two different ways of leaving this mode. So I'm going to select reboot device and click on OK, and this will bring me back to Android. And there we go. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.